So this is how I teach my kids to do limiting reactants. Because that's what this problem is. You give them two numbers. I would have them work two problems. So with 6 moles of C3H8, with 6 moles of that, how many moles of HCl could you make? If I gave you 6 moles of that, and it's a 4-to-1 ratio, how many moles of HCl could you make?
24.
24. There's one answer, 24. Then take the other number. If I give you 20 moles of chlorine, how many moles of HCl could you form? It's a 4-to-4 ratio. If I give you 20 moles of this, how many moles of the HCl? 20. Now you got two answers, 20 and 24. Which one do you pick?
20.
The smaller answer. So take each number and find your answer. Pick the smaller the answer, because you're going to run out of one of the reactants, and the other one will be in excess. So this kind of problem is a 30-second problem. You're just going from moles to moles, simple, easy steps, and you're just doing it with two numbers. Right? Can anybody tell me the square root of 81? 9. Let's look at number 9, please.
Middle neck.
Right, without a calculator, you and your partner work to find an answer for this problem. This is an empirical formula problem.
Hey, we gotta do that. Oh, yeah, we can.
It has nothing to do with concentration, but they don't know what that is. So we're about to jump up. Because we're trying to make sure that who's trying to do that.
June 2nd.
We're not going to get to all of them. And Matt made these review materials. I'll try to make sure. And then in the spring, you roll it out. You'll be able to use it again. All right, y'all got an answer yet? Anybody? All right. What'd y'all get for an answer?
B.
B? A? The same show every day. A, B. I got E. That one's wrong. Right? Now, here's what I want you to realize. You don't get a calculator, but they're making life easy on you. What is the molar mass of carbon dioxide off of the periodic table? Remember, you got a periodic table at the beginning of your packet. Right here. Carbon's 12. Oxygen is 32, 44. Oh, look at this! 44 grams. How lovely. So how many moles of carbon do you have? You ain't got but one. Right? What's the molar mass of water? And you got to know this one forward and backwards.
18.02.
Don't worry about the 0.02. Just worry about the 18. How many times, just in your head or on paper, how many times does 18 go into 45.
2.5.
Dang it, we got it wrong, guys.
2.5.
2 of them will be 36, right? So 2 would be 36. You got 9 left over. 9 divided by 18 is, all right. You got a 1 to 2.5 ratio. Do you see a 1 to 2.5 ratio up there? You see a 1 to 2.5 ratio? No? But I do see a 2 to 5 ratio. I didn't know if you were answering in Spanish or you're giving me the answer. Because I said, do you see a C? Senor? The correct answer there is B. Wait.
What?
No, okay. Sorry. That is totally me. Sorry, that's totally me. Watch. You've got 1 mole of carbon. Wow. It's a good thing I'm on tape. You got 2.5 moles of water, right? 2.5 moles of water. Well, how many hydrogens are in water? 2. So it's not really a 1 to 2.5 ratio. It's a 2.5 moles of water. So for every 1 mole of carbon, you've got 2.5 moles of water, which comes out to be 5 moles of water. I mean 5 moles of hydrogen, because each one has one. And y'all get to go home today and never have to relive this moment, and I'm going to be on the internet forever screwing up a problem, because I found it to be a 2 to 5 ratio. And guess what? AP gave me that answer. They know where we're going to screw up, and they give you that answer choice. So the correct answer there is B, and is my face red? Because it just feels like, so far so good.
Not really. You're good.
It's the shirt, my face is blending into the shirt. Yeah. All right, let's see if we can find one that we can all get right.
We need some positive self-esteem.
That's right. Okay. All right, look at number 12 real quick. Number 12.
I don't even know what that means.
We can edit that out, right? Yes, we're gonna retake me getting the right answer.
I
Yeah,
want that clip.
we're gonna slice and dice it.
That's right. There you go.
We're gonna make you look 30 years younger.
That might take a little bit more than editing.
Oh,
Should have worn like my muscle shirt.
you should have. It's gonna make you look great.
All right, stop. You're done. Does this question look familiar? Equimolar means equal number of moles of carbon dioxide and water. This is the exact same question as number 9, except they didn't give you grams to start with. They made it easier for you. So, if you have 1 mole of carbon dioxide, how many moles of carbon is that? 1. If you have the same number, 1 mole of water, how many moles of hydrogen is that? 2. So what are you looking for? A ratio of 1 to 2. You may see it? Sí, very good. En español. Muy bien. Alright? Now, real quick, FRQs, free response questions. Oh, y'all love those. They count for half your points on the AP exam. Now, number 1, you are going to write out all your work. Number 2, you are going to do it in pen. Old people have to read it.
Black pen.
Blue or black works, either way.
Yeah.
I mean, whatever you got. But definitely not pencil. If you make a mistake in math, just cross it out. No one cares. Circle your answer. Make sure you have units on everything. I know y'all do that all the time. My students are the only ones who don't include units. Yours always do it? Yeah. Okay. I like that slow shake, like. All right, you do now. All right. So what I want you to do is look at the FRQ number 1. And you would typically have 22 minutes to do this, you have 7. You'd have about 22 minutes to work a long FRQ, you have 7. Ready, set, go. Page 12.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Look, there it is. I found it.
This is actually just part of an FRQ. You'd actually have 22 minutes to do the whole one. We're going to give you all a couple minutes to do this. You can use a calculator on the free response. You were right. That's a good call. You get the equation sheet, you get the periodic table, and you get to use a calculator. I'm going to pick one person's paper at random to grab until we can all criticize them.
They're working, I think,
Usually
for
somebody
7
wearing a
minutes.
Bama shirt, so we don't know who that's going to be.
On this side, it's right here.
I'm a Bama fan. I just know you're going to get it right.
So we gotta stop it. Okay.